about to rain. It's raining outside. So I'm sitting here in front of the entrance. I'm Madeline and I'm one of the regular singers here. I'm singing here every Monday, Tuesday, and Fridays. So, may gabi, good evening, especially to our delegates from Palarong Pambansa, from different regions. Good evening, everyone. To our visitors from different countries.